This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can check how many satellites your drone is currently connected to on this device. So to start, look at the top right corner of the smartphone's display. Look for the satellite icon specifically, which looks like a satellite. In my case, it's red since I have literally 0 satellites available to me right now. But if you are operating or if you have your drone somewhere outdoors, it shouldn't be the case. Anyway, tap on this icon and as you can see, it will show you precisely how many satellites your aircraft is currently connected to. As I mentioned previously, my number is 0. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.